Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are making a super simple yet spicy and flavorful Andhra style one pot vegetable pulao. I tried this dish for the first time in Bengaluru after I got married. I was amazed at how many rice varieties are made here in South India. Each one has unique flavors: tamarind rice, lemon rice, coconut rice, and this Andhra style pulao. Every dish tells us a story. So let's start. First take 1 cup of rice. I'm using sona masoori rice, but you can use basmati rice. Wash the rice 2-3 times till water runs clear. Then soak in fresh water for about half an hour. Now let's prep the veggies. I'm using carrot, potato, beans and onions today. You can also add cauliflower and any veggies of your choice if you like. I didn't add them this time because I didn't have them at home. Peel the veggies and chop the veggies into medium sized pieces. You can chop all the veggies previous night and keep it in the fridge. It saves so much time the next morning when we are in a hurry to pack tiffin for our husband and kids. The exact measurement is mentioned in the description box, you can check that. Now let's make the masala paste. In a mixer grinder, add cinnamon stick, 1 small stone flower, 1 star anise, 1 marathi moggu, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 3 cloves, 1 whole garlic bulb, 4 to 5 green chillies, 1 inch ginger, handful of coriander leaves, handful of mint leaves, 1/4 cup fresh grated coconut. You can make this paste previous night also and keep it in the fridge. Initially don't add any water. If you want, you can add little water and make a fine smooth paste. This masala paste is what brings out that authentic Andhra flavor. Now let's prepare the rice. In a heavy bottom kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 bay leaf and 2 cardamom pods. Then add 1 medium-sized onion thinly sliced. Saute the onions on medium flame until they turn translucent. We don't need them golden, just soft and lightly cooked. Now we will add the chopped veggies to the kadai. Saute them well for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Add salt to taste. This helps the veggies cook faster. Cook until the potatoes are about 50-60% done. That way they will finish cooking perfectly along with the rice later. Now add the prepared masala paste to the veggies. Cook it for few minutes until the raw smell completely goes. Then add half cup frozen peas. I have used frozen peas. You can use fresh green peas also. Next, drain the water from the soaked rice and add rice to the kadai. Mix everything gently so the masala coats the rice well. Now add water. For 1 cup of soaked rice, add 2 cups of water. Add salt to taste at this stage and mix everything well. Increase the flame to high and let it come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the flame to low, cover the kadai with the lid and cook the rice until it's fully done. While the rice is cooking, let's quickly make a simple raita to go along with pulao. Take 2 cups of curd and beat it well until smooth. Now add chopped cucumber and onions. Season it with black salt, chaat masala, roasted cumin powder and salt. Mix everything well. Our refreshing raita is ready. Our pulao is ready. Switch off the flame and check. You will see the rice is fully cooked and soft. But don't mix it right away. The rice is delicate and can get easily mashed. So let it rest for about 10 minutes. After that, gently fluff the rice using a fork or a spatula and you will have perfectly cooked, flavorful Andhra style pulao. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.